Now, what this piece does, let me see if it clear. This controls like your boost. If you running low on boost, or if you have any issues with your boost, try changing this out. It's gonna be right there. Right there. So I recommend whenever you're taking this off, get a flathead just to pry it off so you don't break this part. I'm not trying to go through that. I've seen a few people on YouTube do that. All right, let's get things through. Get this in there. All I gotta do is pop that thing back up in there. Line it up with the hole. Let's get that bitch back up in there.